how to set a Chinese, Japanese, or Korean display name on Roblox. So if you want to set a Chinese, Japanese, or Korean display name on Roblox, then what you need to do is, first of all, you need to go to the official website of Roblox and then log into your account. After that, you need to tap on the gear icon in the top right corner, which is the settings icon. Click on settings. And once you're on your settings, it will take you to the account info page. Here you will see the option of display name. So as you can see that in my case, I have a Japanese name. So if you also want a Japanese or a Korean name, then what you need to do is just simply go with the right side, which has that edit option. Once you go with the edit, now you need to go with a new tab and then go with Google Translate. Like for example, I'll just simply go with English to Chinese Translate, and here I'll enter my name. After entering your name, you will have the Chinese name right here. You need to just copy this, and after copying, you need to go back and then remove this name right here and then enter another name. Or if that doesn't work, then you can also go with a Japanese name. Once you enter the Japanese name, you need to go with save, which will be on the bottom. And that's it. My name will be changed. It has been saved successfully. That's how you can change your name or set your display name as Chinese, Japanese, or Korean. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.